It's Jocelyn, aka Grandbaby Cakes. Come back in the kitchen. Today we are going to be making one of my fave dinner slash appetizers slash party foods, you know, all of that jazz. We are going to be making my honey garlic jerk chicken wings. That was a mouthful. They are absolutely delicious, y'all. You know, finger licking good because they've got all of these spices kind of playing around with one another, and then you've got that heat coupled with that sweet, and it is just beyond your dreams. So today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make it, and let's hop in, y'all. Let's do it. So first I'm starting with some wingdings. You know, basically they're chicken wings with the, you know, wing part, the tail cut off. And so you can cut that into segments, and this is what we have here. And then I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to season these babies up. And this is salt and pepper to taste, basically. However you like it, this is your preference. Get some pepper in there too. And then I've got a whole lot of jerk seasoning. You know, you can play around with this and make, you know, your own. You can also grab some that's already made at the grocery store. Totally up to you. And I'm just gonna toss this. Make sure your hands are clean. Get it up in there. And then I've got some baking powder. So I'm adding these because this is going to help to make sure that our chicken wings stay pretty crisp, and that's what we want before we add the sauce. So it's gonna help for that crispiness to come out. Throw that in. And then I'm just gonna get my hands in and just make sure I'm like thoroughly mixing all of this together. So now we're gonna bake these chicken wings up. I'm going to spray our lined baking sheet with some nonstick spray, and then add our coated chicken wings directly to the tray. Okay, y'all, the first part of our recipe is done. Can you believe this? I'm gonna pop this in the oven for about 40 minutes, and halfway through, I'm gonna turn over the wings so we get a nice even baking of them. And you can make these in the air fryer. You can go get those instructions at grandbabycakes.com. Into the oven these go. So I'm gonna start by adding my butter to our saucepan here. Yeah, get all that richness up in there. Gotta get it in there. And we are going to add this to about medium, there we go, medium heat. And then I'm going to actually saute some minced garlic, and you're gonna get that nice fragrance coming out. Now I'm gonna add in our honey. And then I've got some tamari, and you can also use soy sauce if you want, but this is gluten-free for anyone who wants to get down on this. You can use the tamari. I got some hot sauce, y'all. That's gotta go in. So play around, gotta have that heat, that little pack that heat in there. And then I've got some ginger and paprika. And then I'm just gonna whisk all of that together. I'm gonna let this sauce kind of thicken up. It'll take about 3 or 4 minutes, and then we'll be ready to coat it on our chicken. All right, our sauce is ready. I'm gonna start brushing it right on top of our chicken and get this right back in the oven. Ah, y'all, a big old plate of honey garlic jerk chicken wings. Just for me. No, you can't have any. I'm sorry. Make them at your own house. Let's see how they taste, y'all. Let's grab up a wing. Should I have grabbed a flat or a drum? Tell me in the comments. I grabbed a flat. Like I said, you've got that savory and that sweet meeting in the middle, a hint of spice, a lovely jerk seasoning that you can buy at the grocery store to shortcut this. And it is just delectable. You get some of that garlic in there. They're sticky and crispy all at the same time. Who doesn't want these chicken wings, right? That's why you need to head over to grandbabycakes.com right now to grab the recipe. And make sure when you try it, you leave me a star rating and a review. Come back over here and comment and tell me what you think. And then don't forget to subscribe, y'all, so y'all can get more of my incredible recipe videos. Stay tuned.